in simplification, today we will discuss some more questions. So suppose we have this question. Now if you remember BODMAS B bracket O of the division, divide, multiply, add, subtract. So this is what rule is. So first we have to go for brackets. So in this question, if you see there is no bracket, so then we have to go for off. Now here you can see one off is there. So what is off? Off is just multiplication only. But there are two. Suppose this is off and this is multiplication. So we have to do off first, multiplication we have to do later. So that you have to be careful. That's why off comes second. Then after off we have to go for divide, then multiplication, then addition, and then last subtract. So now this off, what we will do, 4 by 3 divided by 3 by 5 into 5. So this off became multiplication sign, plus 4 by 5 into 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. Other things remain same. Now we have to calculate this. This 5 get cancelled, remaining is your 3 plus 4 by 5 into minus 1 by 5. So other things remain same again. Now after off we have to go for divide. Now so this is your divide. Now to do fraction number divide, what we used to do, first we will make this mixed fraction into normal fraction. This which how it will become 3 into 4 plus 4. So 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 4 16 by 3. So this is what. Now there is nothing means 1 is there. So what happened, this when divide we convert into, so this get reciprocal, so it will become 1 by 3. Other things remain same. Now next we have to go for multiplication. Okay, so we are solving this one. Now we will solve this one. So 16 we cannot cut, so 16 by 3 3 ja 9 plus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 10 minus 1 by 5. So now after that we have to do is addition. So here because we can do this is a fraction number, so we can do as a whole. So I'll take as a whole LCM. Now 9 5 10 and 5, these are the numbers which we have to take LCM. 9 5 10 5. So 3 3 ja 9, 5 5, 3 1 ja 5 10 5, then 5 1 ja 2 ja 1 ja. So this is your last prime numbers came. So this is your ending of the LCM. So your LCM will be 3 3 ja 9, 9 and 5 2 ja 10, 3 3 ja 9 and 5 2 ja 10, 10 9 ja 90. So the LCM becomes 99. So LCM, what you have to do, I have told you what you have to do is, first this down, with the down you have to check this down, and the number which comes, which will be multiplied with the upper one. So 9 10 ja 90. So this 10 into 16 gives me 160. Then next, so 5 how much will become 90? 5 if you don't know, so 5 18 ja becomes 90. So 18 into 4 gives me 72 plus 10 9 ja 90, 9 3 ja 27. 5 again 18 ja 90. 18 1 ja 18. So if you did not understand this part, so again repeat your look to the video again how I did. After this we will just these 3 have to be added and then 18 has to be subtracted. So 160 72 27 9 9 6 15 and 259 minus 18 1 4 2 241 by 90. We have another question. So in this question we will have to do is what? First I told you in BODMAS bracket is there. In bracket there are 3 types of bracket I have told you. First bracket, second bracket and the third bracket. So we have to go for first bracket first, then we have to go for second one and then third one. So in this question, so what is your first bracket? This is your first bracket. So we have to solve this one first. 9 3 by 4 divided by. So other things remain same. Now make it into a simpler form, fraction. From mixed fraction you make it into normal fraction. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1 3 by 2. 4 into 1 4 plus 3 7 by 4. So simultaneously what we can do, all the mixed fraction I'll make it into simpler form. 9 4 36 and 3 39. 2 6 12 plus 1 13 by 6. 4 3 is 12 plus 1 13 by 3. Now you have to solve this on LCM. So I'll not explain every time. So try to understand this one here only again. So 2 and 4 LCM if you take. So LCM will be 2 2 ja 4 LCM. Now 2 2 ja 4. 2 and this 2 will multiply with this 3 becomes 6. 4 1 ja 4. 1 into 7 becomes 7. So 7 6 13 by 4. Now because we have finished our first bracket, now we have to go for the second bracket. Now 3 4 ja 12. LCM of 3 and 4 will be, so you cannot solve them. 2. So these are the prime factors. So it becomes 12. Now 3 4 ja 12. 4 13 ja 4 3 ja 12. 3 13 ja 12. Now this one will simplify. So our second bracket also finished. So it's 52 minus 39, 13 by 12. Our last bracket remains. Now we'll solve this one. So 6 and 12 LCM. You take the LCM, so it becomes 12. 6 2 ja 12. 2 13 ja plus 12 1s are 12, so just 13. So 26 plus 13, it will become 39 by 12. Now divide, will become into, so it will become 12 by 39. 39 get cancelled, 4, 3 get cancelled, so 3 is your answer. So another question I'll take. Now in this question we have to see first what is your bar is there. So that bar you have to solve first. I have told you another question also where there was a bar. So always bar has to be first solved. Then after that you have this first bracket, then second bracket, and then third bracket, and the last one. We have to do this way. What we will do, whatever mixed numbers are there, I will make it into proper fraction. So 7 2 ja 14 plus 1, 15 by 2. 4 2 ja 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. 4 1 ja 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 minus. Now we have to solve this bar. So this gives me 3 and 6. 6 will be the LCM. 3 2 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2 minus 6 1 ja 6, 1 1 ja 1. Other things remain same. So 2 minus 1, 1 by 6. Now we have to solve this bracket. First bracket, our first bracket. Other things remain same. So 3 and 2 and 6 LCM will be 6. 2 3 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. 6 1 ja 6, 1 1 ja 1. So this one we will solve. Other things remain same. Now before solving the bracket, because now bracket will be over, so this number doesn't have any sign. That means there will be always one into is there. After this it will become 8 by 6. Now your first bracket gone. So in this bracket you see there is one multiplication, there is one addition. So we have to do multiplication first as per the BODMAS rule. So if we multiply this, we can cut 2 3 ja 2 2 ja. So here up remain 2, down remain 3. Now we have to do the addition of this. 4 3 LCM will be 12. 4 3 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8. So now this bracket will be finished up. So 15 plus 8, 23. Now this bracket is gone. Now this divide will make it into multiply. Whenever this divide becomes multiply, so this get reciprocal. Now we will do multiply. So we can cut this one. 4 3 is 12, and we cannot cut more than this. So 9 3 is 27 by 23. So now bracket is off. So 23 into 2. So 23 and 2, if you take LCM, so it will become 46. So 2 23 is 46. So 23 into 15. 345 minus 23 into 2 ja 46, 227 ja 54. So minus 54, 1, 291 by 46. This is your answer.